Hi everyone, I'm Caroline Nyaroy. I'll be your trainer today. I'll take you through building a local area network. And we're going to start learning what a local area network is. This is a group of interconnected computers that share resources and communicate with each other. They are mainly found in a limited area such as a home, an office, school, and also we can some of the benefits of using a local area network include we can share files, we can share printers, we can access the internet, and also we can do a lot of gaming. Where we have the computers, these are the machines actually that are going to be used by users. And then we have the network interface cards. These are the hardware components installed in computers and then allow them to connect to a network. Network cables, these are the physical cables that connect computers to network devices. Network switches, these are devices that connect multiple computers, network devices, and allow them to communicate with each other. And then there are the routers. These are devices that connect different networks, LANs to the internet. And then types of network cables include the Ethernet, the coaxial cables, and also the fiber optic cables. Well, to start off with the internet, the Ethernet cables. These are the most widely used type of network cables, providing reliable and fast data transmission. And then there are the coaxial cables. These are a bit older, were used mainly in the past, but they are older. They're older, but still being used in some applications, and they are generally slower than the Ethernet. And then there is the fiber optic cables, where they use light pulses to transmit data, offering very high bandwidth and speed. We have examples of the fiber optic cable. There's the twisted pair, which is the Ethernet, and then there's the coaxial. The fiber optic uses the light pulses. As you can see, it has glass blading, and also the buffer. And talking of the Ethernet, which is a twisted pair, has various cables, various colored codes, where they are trimmed into perfect arrangement so as to allow access to internet. And then there's the coaxial, which is a bit older, where we see it has copper wire inside of it. And then there's the mesh and also the jacket. Next, we're going to discuss about connecting computers with network cables. To connect computers with network cables, you need to plug one end of the computer cable into the network interface card of each computer, and then plug the other end of the network cable into the NIC of another computer. Also ensure the network cables are securely connected to both computers. The other part we're going to discuss about is setting up a network switch, which is connecting the network cables from each computer to the switch. Now this switch is going to connect the whole lot of the computer so as to create a network, and then you're going to power on the network switch and verify that the network switch is functioning correctly. Well, sharing files on a LAN. To enable file sharing, we have to connect the computers to each other and then access shared folders from other computers on the LAN too, and also share these files and folders seamlessly within the network. Once you connect the computers in a good and a good way, that is, they are going to communicate seamlessly, and much of the communication will be sorted. And then there is the sharing internet access on a LAN. This is how you're going to do it. You're going to connect the router to the internet. This internet can be offered by an ISP. This is a company that provides network internet, and yes, they're going to use the router to actually provide internet to the exact place a user would like internet. Then you can configure the router to provide network access to connected devices. This may include the computers on that network. Connect computers to the LAN using network cables, or you can do it wirelessly. And then access the internet from all connected devices. Network may include a situation where there is no network connectivity. How we can counter this is check the cables are well connected, verify network switch status, and also ensure router settings are correct. The other issue is the slow network performance, where you upgrade network cables, check for software updates, and reduce the number of connected devices. The other issue can be unable to access shared resources. How you can correct this is verify file and printer sharing settings, ensure firewall rules allow sharing, and check for network. They can be also the schools and offices, and also business premises. That's all for now on the local area network. In case there are questions, kindly link in my YouTube, and we can communicate and answer your questions. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Thank you.